Junior Doctors! Welcome back to Junior Doctor Fiona Chow's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to continue last week's talk and talk about emerging viruses today. Okay, so let's start it off. So what is an emerging virus or disease? So WHO mentions that emerging virus or disease is a disease which has appeared in a population for the first time or that might have existed for a long time, but it is rapidly increasing in incidence of geographical range. So it's also a virus that has adapted or emerged as a new disease. And it's virtually all emergent diseases originate in animal populations, and that largely includes wildlife. So why do we care about emerging viruses? Why is it important? So there's one type which is zoonotic virus. That is basically an animal virus that has mutated and mutated and mutated to infect humans. So it's opportunistic and transient, and it's really difficult to identify or trace. And the first step to detect or isolate the pathogen is from that animal. And examples of zoonotic viruses. So firstly, COVID-19 is suspected to be a zoonotic virus. It's supposedly passed on from an animal, like bats, to humans. So other examples include, for instance, from 1889 to 1890, the Russian flu pandemic. It killed 1 million people worldwide, and it's speculated to be caused by influenza virus, but possibly caused by OC43 beta coronavirus that was diverged from bovine coronavirus and around that time. And it causes the common cold today. Another example is 1918, there was a Spanish flu pandemic, and it's from avian and swine origin, meaning it was passed from birds and pigs, and it's most severe pandemic in recent history. So it's quite deadly in 20 to 40 years old, and it infected 1/3 of the global population. So you could actually just imagine how many people were infected by the Spanish flu, and it killed 50 million people worldwide. So that's a 2.5 fatality rate, 2.5% fatality rate. And in 1968 to 1969, there was a Hong Kong flu, and it's avian origin, meaning it's from the birds, and it mutated and it killed 1 million people worldwide. And there's also HIV. So it originated in chimps, and it's 100% fatal in the early days. It's actually still continuing on, and it's basically called the human immunodeficiency virus. Okay, so we'll stop that discussion for today, and we'll continue it next week. Okay, so remember to eat healthy, exercise, and enjoy life. Thank you so much for watching, and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Thank you, and see you next time.